Hi guys, and welcome to the VanGuardian website. I'm here just to briefly explain to you what VanGuardian is and what these units are and how you're going to choose the right VanGuardian bundle for your application. Here today we're going to talk about the VanGuardian Vehicle and Asset Zonal Alarm System, a system that we've developed to protect the vulnerable, commonly targeted at-risk areas around your van that will alert you when thieves are operating before damage is done. Whether it be for a truck, a van, a motorhome, a camper van, a trailer, you name it, we've got a solution to help you protect your van from van crime. In essence, VanGuardian is an alarm that activates on contact. With the dual alarm, we have a 2-speaker outlet, a powerful alarm, a wider dispersion of sound, and with the single alarm, we effectively have a more discreet, compact, single unit alarm. Traditionally, the 2 single alarms are for a smaller van, but the application for this is usually associated with the driver's door and passenger door, usually positioned under the rear view mirrors of a vehicle. It's 2 zones of protection with 2 separate alarms. VanGuardian's powerful alarm enables us to provide protection for the rear doors on a van and the side door on a mid to large size van. Any combination of these can be used, and we've put together some pre-packed bundles that you'll see on the website. This particular bundle, a dual alarm and 2 single alarms, is extremely popular for a back door and 2 side doors on a small to mid to even a large size van. We also do a 2 single alarm unit, which you'll see here, 2 single alarms if you just want to protect two areas at the front of the vehicle, the driver's door, passenger door. You've got a combination of 2 single alarms that you can use. And in essence then, this is our best-selling model, the powerful alarm, the 2 dual alarm bundle, back door, side door combination. This is our most powerful alarm and a dynamic duo. One of the other combinations that we have that we pre-pack is a dual alarm and a single alarm. It gives 2 zones of protection for a mid-size, large size, even a small size van. Back door and side door combination. You can use this combination and save a little bit on what you would normally pay on a 2 dual alarm bundle. In essence, all the bundles that we do are prepared here at the workshop, so all you have to do is fit it. So you have no pairing of these, all these are done and they're prepared here at the workshop prior to dispatch. All bundles that come like this, as I say, are already prepared to 2 master remote controls. Both master remote controls activate all the alarms on the vehicle simultaneously, and effectively you just keep one then as a spare. If you've got a bespoke bundle that you want us to make for you, just get in touch with us. We can make any bespoke bundles of any combination of these alarms. And of course, as you know, we now can colour code VanGuardian from the matte black that it comes out in, to silver, to yellow, to red, to any colour. If you provide us with the colour code of your vehicle, we can even colour match to match the colour of your vehicle. This is an optional extra that you can add to your basket in the checkout. So there you go. Hopefully that gives you an understanding of what we're trying to do and helps you in your shopping process going forward. Thanks for watching.